This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Need new tools or upgrade? Think Value Testers. Link in description below. I don't know if I did this or not because I usually disconnect them. Alright, I got the meter in already with the water's back on. And got the toilet turned on. Somebody's been in here before me. I don't think I winterized this house. I think he had someone else do it. There's a lot of things that I wouldn't have left like that, or either he was over here playing around with it before I got here. Somebody was. The water was left on in the street, which I would never do that. These hoses here were disconnected here, which I would have never have done that. Don't look like there's any antifreeze in there either. I don't think I winterized this house. I did have to wipe a little water up because when I turned the water on, it was gushing right out as you weren't even hooked up. Not something I did. I wonder if they ever turned the electric off to the water heater. That shit happens. Ooh. She's a liker. She's a liker. I ain't leaking. Ooh. I usually disconnect this. I always disconnect that, leave that off. I don't know about this ice maker. Thought I was here last year, but maybe not. I could do so many of these houses. No air in there. There's no air in it. I didn't winterize this house. Should be air in there. Should have blown it out with air. Oh, here we go. She's spitting like Nancy Pelosi. Spitting like Nancy Pelosi. No, there was, when you first turned it on, there was water in there. He didn't even blow it out with air. I didn't do this house. I didn't. There's no way. I wouldn't have left shit like that. The water meter was hooked back up with no washers on the meter. We just turned the water on down in the basement. That wasn't me that did it. Wow. Well, somebody came behind me and played around with this shit. But anyway, it's back on. Regular wash, power. It's a Bosch. Smells like antifreeze in there though. She's awake! She's awake! She's awake! Only in America. Only in America. I'm gonna turn the water back on. Turn the heat on. I think it's got gas heat here. This guy's a doctor. He wants me to hurry up and turn this on because he's got someone that wants to live here. I think they got the Corona-Rona. Trying to put him over here with the Corona-Rona. That's what I think. Oh, look at that. Holy shit, that's worth some bucks. That's like having gold or silver now. Shit, yeah, mama. Got a full roll of gold there. Someone's been in here after I was done, or someone else winterized the house, because I didn't. A lot of stuff that's been left here, I wouldn't have done it like that. I'd have to look back at my paperwork and see if I did this job. Don't matter. I'm here now, so. Just want to make sure that there's no major floods before I leave here. Everything's working good. The old Corona-Rona. No leaks. Major flooding, so we're good. How you doing, Mama? Shit, yeah, Mama. Just gotta turn the water heater on. We should be good to go. Electric heat in this house. I don't see no flooding. No flooding, so that's good. Okay, so the water heater's off. We gotta turn that on. All the 220s are on. The only thing that was off was the water heater. The old Corona-Rona mask. When I came here, the meter was, part of the meter was in with no washers. Then when I turned it on, one of the washers fell out, so that's where the water comes from. But the water heater's turned back on. I could hear it running. This here, these were left open when I was here, so somebody's been here playing around with this shit. I'm gonna leave that off for now. But somebody's been here playing with this shit, and that wasn't me. I would have left these open and them open. That's what I would have did. That's not the way it is now. So either the homeowner was here, or he had his his bum buddy come help him out, maybe. I don't know. Oh. Maybe. Maybe this is his bloody bum buddy. I never know. Might have been his bum buddy. I don't know. But it's on now. He can get whoever he wants to come and live here, whatever. The outside shower on, I forgot to do that, so I don't want to have to come back here. When I came here, this valve was closed, which I would have left that open if it was me. I don't know, someone's been here playing around with shit. A lot of stuff's been left the way I wouldn't have left it. I would have taken that plug out, which was never done. I would have taken that out and left it out. A lot of shit that I don't think I winterized this house. A lot of stuff's been left differently than I would have did it. Put it that way. Hello. Hello, Miss Molly. How's my girl? How's my buddy? Huh? Want me to turn on the heater? What's the matter? What's the matter? You missed Daddy? Yeah, I know you did. I know you love your daddy.